4 problem statements that were presented for this proposal. There are 3, which is energy waste could lead to expensive electrical energy costs. Second, using energy-intensive appliances is one example of unnecessary energy use. And lastly, the third is maintaining efficient energy conservation practices. What needs to be done if a facility uses more than 3 million kilowatt hours of energy in a 6-month period? The Malaysia Energy Commission released Efficient Management of Electrical Energy Standard 2008 regulation on December 15, 2008, with the main goal of improving how peak energy customers manage energy. Who is affected is any installation that gets electricity from a licensed or supply authority and uses at least 3 million kilowatt hour over a period of 6 months. The table and figures show that 33,826 kilowatt hour of energy costs in 2022. From January to June, power usage increased, and from October to December, it increased again after falling from July to September. This report shows the energy management metric assessment table for energy policy, energy team motivation, information system, marketing and investment, which is 1-star energy management gold standard of Jasin construction development.
Energy policy is aiming to reduce energy use, and it must be appropriate to the nature and extent of energy usage. The policy will be implemented as below. First, to provide sufficient, secure and cost-effective energy. Second, to promote energy sufficient while discouraging excessive and ineffective use. Third, to secure environmental preservation for future generation. Speaking energy management contribute to the development and implementation of their organization energy management plans. It is also known as a consulting organization that identifies the most cost-effective energy-saving technique for electrical, mechanical, process and building infrastructure. Certificate energy manager gaining traction in the energy industry and among businesses wanting to strengthen their competitive position by implementing a CEM. The following are the duties that an energy manager is responsible for. First is conduct an energy audit. Second, create and use energy saving technique. Third, describe and display project. Fourth, control your utility budget. It is important for everyone involved to understand that their effort may benefit Jasin Construction and Jamberhad and are going to be equal with those of inexperienced candidates. We thus assemble a team for the corporation to manage energy. Okay, the following members of the company management team make up it as the diagram. First is CEO Jasin Construction. Below they have energy manager Jasin Irfan, facility manager, and below them they have EAC manager 1 and 2, and under facility manager have facility crew Nur Hanati. Energy Accounting Center is a group known as the Energy Accounting Center gather and review data from the DPM and often communicates with energy manager. So the place where energy activity occur is referred to as the Energy Accounting Center. So the EAC must consist of a system, a department, a structure or combination of the three. So accounting for energy provide data on how much is consumed and amount it costs. So the organization will benefit from using energy accounting to track and allocate its energy usage and costs. So as we can see, Jasin Construction have two EAC, is one EAC1 and EAC2. EAC1, they have user area like toilet, electric room, store, foreigner workers room, parking, document record room and pantry. For EAC2, they have toilet, boss room, administrative room, technical room, secretary room, pantry, store, printing room and dining room.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Jasin from BA2345A. First of all, I want to talk about the information system. Information system has divided by three, which is first is technology, second one is software, and the third one is data. After that, I want to talk about the energy management working procedure, which is EMWP. All employees in the Jasin construction must adhere the set of rules known as the energy management working procedure on a daily basis, which is consists of operating guideline, process mapping, work instruction, log sheet, and the computing sheet. After that, I want to talk about the training and awareness. For the training and awareness at the Jasin construction, to improve as effectively as festivals, Jasin construction has have to be a plan, suitable plan for their organization. Organization must improve every element of their every element of their energy management system to secure the top management support if they want to improve their result of their energy. To develop any strategy for enhancing their organization energy management, they must confer their management. After that, their training goals is to help the management team understand the ideas and the practice of the energy management system, as well as obligation and duties. After that, I'm gonna talk about the securing funding in the SAM's implementations. In order to use the new bulb, which is LED, LED light bulb in the place of all old incandescent ones, and to use the energy saving electricity appliance that help with the consumption or less of energy. A sizable portion of the budget is needed for the development of the SAMs in the Jasin construction organization. After that, to create the to to need we must Justice Construction need to raise the money to change their bulb. To create a healthy environment, the organization may switch the outdated incandescent bulb with the contemporary, which is LED bulb, using the funding that has been provided. In order to by using this bulb, which is LED, they can reduce the energy used by 5% over the coming next year. That's all from me. Thank you.
We move to the documentation of Jasin Construction Development Company. This is the chart organization of the company. This is the table of comparison of the actual electricity consumption for 2022 of Jasin Construction Development. By adopting sustainable energy management system, it could cut or minimize the power use. At the same time, it could give comfort and maintain the efficiency. The no-cost measure can be utilized by turning off the electricity when not in use and control the temperature of the aircon according to humidity. The low cost can be measured by installing sensor to turn off and turn on the lights in places that are rarely used, and setting timer or limit for electricity use. The high cost can be measured by integrating advanced technology such as solar panels on a building roof or parking roof. Another one, by installing energy recovery ventilation. This is the financial plan for energy saving measures. From the table, we can see that only low cost and high cost energy saving measures are needed to use investment.
There are 4 options for measurement and verification, which is option A, partially measure retrofit isolations, that only partial measurement is used with some parameters being stipulated, and option B, retrofit isolation, that fully measure is required. Most type of ECM can be determined with option B. However, metering complexity increase, difficulty and cost increase. And option C, whole facility, that involve uses of utility meters or whole facility submeters to assess the energy performance of a total facility. And the last one is option D, that calibrated simulations, involve the use of computer simulation software to predict energy use for one or both of the energy use term in equations. This table shows the strategy for measurement and verification that has been developed for Jasin Construction Development Sdn Bhd. For the project summary, we plan to install to turn on and off light in places that are rarely utilized and integrate advanced technologies such as solar panels on a building roof or parking roof, and to the outcome is reduction in energy consumption as well as the achievement of energy saving through the implementations of the Energy Conservation Measure ECM program. And the options that suitable is option B, that is a retrofit isolations. And the last one is measurement boundaries, that includes only the equipment.
You can see that is a project Gantt chart and milestone for Jasin Construction Sdn Bhd. Okay, the following Gantt chart is sample made using the Sustainable Energy Management Strategy that Jasin utilized to obtain the 3-star EMGS certifications. So according to the plan strategy, Jasin will complete all required examination and obtain 3-star EMGS certification in 2.5 years. In addition, the review process is divided into quarters and start in the second quarter of 2022. So additionally, the preparation of the organization must include making suggestions to enhance each component of energy management system in order to achieve the 1-star MGS and certification, which is anticipated in the third quarter of 2023. So next, the installation of energy efficiency measure is the main property for the 2-star MGS certification. So Jasin will keep or increase the energy reduction started in the 2-star evaluation and combine power management with other requirements in order to get 3-star MGS certification. So Jasin hopes to attain the 3-star MGS certification by the fourth quarter of 2024 as a result of this preparation.
Jasin Construction Development has been chosen as our group project company because we want to build awareness of the significance of a sustainable energy management system. We also want to achieve the Energy Star rating and Energy Committee to meet the AIMAS requirement. Jasin Construction Development Sdn Bhd must take steps to identify the causes that contribute to the excessive energy consumption during those months and address energy efficiency in the coming year. That's all from our group. Thank you.